These headphones right here can last up to about 120 hours of battery life. They have ultra low latency, high resolution audio and other amazing features. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the OneOdio Studio Max headphones. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Che. I make music production tutorials on YouTube. Consider subscribing and click that post notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. So let me take you back a little bit. About a month ago, OneOdio reached out to me and asked if I would like to try out their brand new headphones, the Studio Max one. So they sent them to me and I've been trying them out for a few days now. So they come packaged in a very nice box. Inside the box you'll find the headphones and all the necessary accessories, starting from a 6.35 to 3.5 millimeter cable, the M1 wireless transmitter for ultra low latency, a USB to USB-C cable for charging, a short cable for connecting the M1 device to your sound card or anything that you'd like to connect it to, a guide to just show you how everything should be connected, a nice bag you can use to pack your headphones and accessories. They are made of a very nice and soft material but feels rich. The ear padding is soft, sits comfortably around your ears and doesn't cause fatigue or any sort of pain even after long sessions. So these are running 50mm drivers and support LDAC, which gives you the high resolution audio. The sound quality is amazing. These headphones come with a number of connection options to enable you connect to pretty much anything that you'd like to connect to. So you've got wired, Bluetooth and LDAC. When it comes to battery life, it's crazy. I've used them on and off for some days now and haven't needed to charge them yet. They've also got mics for calls. I tried them on a couple of calls and people said my voice came through super clear. So these headphones are really comfortable, good for DJs, gaming, for editing your work, casual listening and just for recording in the studio. Maybe not flat enough for critical mixing, otherwise they're amazing. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. If these headphones are something you might like, I've left the link in the description. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Catch you in the next video. Peace.